Right, so this one says a surveyor is standing 50 feet from the base of a large tree, as shown in the figure. The survey measures the angle of elevation to the top of the tree at 71.5 degrees. How tall is the tree? Right, so this problem brings up for the first time this thing of angle of elevation. We have two of them. Right? We have an angle of elevation and an angle of depression. When from the horizontal you're looking up, then that angle with the horizontal is called an angle of elevation. If from the horizontal you're looking down, let's say you were at the top of a tower or a building or something like that, that would be called, the angle with the horizontal would be called the angle of depression. So it's a term that we have to use just to be able to set up the problem. In this case, they gave us the picture, so we're not going to struggle on it. This is copied from the book, but I would have drawn my own triangle. We're going to assume our tree is straight, not crooked, so we got a right triangle. We know that this side is 50 feet, and we know that the angle of elevation, which is this angle in the triangle, is 71.5 degrees. And they want us to find the height of the tree. So even if you weren't given the picture, you should be able to set up that triangle and identify what it is you're trying to solve for. Right. Once you've got the triangle set up, first question is, which two of the three sides am I dealing with here? Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Right. This side is opposite. This side is adjacent. All right. So this is opposite and adjacent. Which trig function uses those two? Tangent. So the tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. So now we can fill in. We know the theta that was given. So that's tangent of 71.5 equals x over 50. Solve for x. How will I solve for x? Multiply both sides times 50. Right. So that will look like this. 50 tangent of 71.5 degrees. Now be careful that if you would have taken that 50 and multiplied it on the other side, which is fine, just understand that the 71.5 is inside the tangent. You wouldn't multiply the 50 times 71.5. That would be a bad error, right? Just make sure that you do the 50 times a tan of 71.5 and you don't try to multiply those two. So that is 50 times tan. Say again? 149.4342. And the units of that would be feet, because that was given in feet. That we assume that that's feet.